Hi, I'm Santina from WTI. If you are like me and you absolutely love tangos and you play violin or guitar, you are definitely going to want to check out this Astor Piazzolla for violin and guitar music book. So first of all, the music is just fabulous. What I've played from this book, I absolutely love. I play violin and my husband plays guitar, and we really enjoy playing music together. And as this was one of my favorite styles of music, we just thought it would be really cool to find a book that we could play duets together, and it is awesome. So one thing that I think is great about this physical book is that the notes are big enough for you to be able to see them, and there is a lot of music available in here, so you are not going to run out of content quickly. So if you love tangos, then I highly recommend you check out this music book. And that's my point of view.